Good evening to our classmates. So I'm Julia. Today I want to take a presentation about the United Nations. This is the logo of United Nations. Wow. In 1945, so it has a war. It is the War II, and then after the end of the War II, it had millions of people that had died, and so everywhere was destroyed. And after that, the member like the people in Francisco and California, they joined together and then they made an organization that we call United Nations. And then, so they have 4 charter to forego to it means that to take their organization work, and then so number 1 is work together for international peace and solve international problems, and 2 to develop friendly relations among nations, and 3 work together for human rights for everyone of all races, religions, languages, and of all both sexes, and number 4 to build a center where nations can work together for these goals. And after that, the United Nations was grown in the New York City, and it had so each country that joined to the United Nations signs an agreement that it says, number 1, all members are equal, and 2, all members promise to solve international problems in a peaceful way, and 3, no member will use force against another member, and 4, all members will help the UN in its action, and 5, the UN will not try to solve problems within countries except to enforce international peace. And then, and after that, they made the General Assembly. So they created General Assembly to, it means that to to solve every problem in the world, and to for sexual or to do everything, and then they connected with UNICEF organization, and the UNICEF they have they have they have the function to provide the food or medical care or something else to the poor people that they don't have something to eat, and that they have the bad health. And after that, the the UN have 130 nations that participated in peacekeeping mission in 1988. And so they create this peacekeeping for secure all the people around the world, and then to stop the war, like and then the United Nations really have a family of related organizations which are working to provide better life for people and everywhere. And under part of family, they have an organization like they call WHO. It's from the World Health Organization. That WHO in 1988 they create 170 consort, and they have 10 members to share or provide something to the people that they get the problem with the war, and then they go into sexual that. And so their goal is mean that they want to secure all the people around the world to make peaceful and don't take the fight with each other, and they just live and they just it means that don't fear. Okay, and then the United Nations also it has a big conferences, and so they always meet with each organization to improve their goal and secure the people also. And many people believe that the best way for United Nations to work for world peace is through its humanitarian activities. So my topic is enough, and thank for your attention, and thank you, sir.
Thank you. Do you have a question?
Do you have a question?
Do you have any questions?
they had one country more to join with the United Nations, and they have in 1945 they have 51 nations and they want and to 191 nations. We have
Any other?
No, you have question.
Okay, I would like to ask one question. What do you think people talk about the UN conference on ocean? What do you think people talk about at the UN conference on ocean?
I think that they thought about their goal to stop or to quit the war and to make the peaceful in all over the world.
Any other?
Who was made United Nations? First made United Nations.
So in this topic, I think about they don't tell me about the name of the person. They just tell about the country like California and San Francisco.